Hey, it's Friday. I am still at home. So let's have a party in my kitchen. What am I baking today? I am going to bake my all-time favorite, banana bread. So come with me and let's bake. First, let's talk about the bananas. What we need is almost overripe, brown and soft bananas. So don't throw them out. Put it in the fridge and use it later when you're making your banana bread. I'm going to whisk together all dry ingredients. I have about 2 cups of flour here, to which I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of baking powder and then 1 teaspoon of baking soda and about a teaspoon of salt. And then just mix it together. I'm going to mash the bananas first and then add about half a cup of sour cream to this mixture. You can totally omit the sour cream. Sour cream just makes the whole banana bread soft and moist and also gives a texture. Now it's time to use my kitchenette blender. Today I'm going to use the paddle attachment. First, I'm going to do the creaming of butter and sugar. For this, I'm going to add about 1 stick of butter kept at room temperature. And to this, I'm going to add about 1 cup of packed brown sugar. And then start the creaming process. To this mixture, I'm going to add 2 eggs. And about a teaspoon of vanilla. And start the blender again. Now I'm going to add my banana and sour cream mix to this. To this mixture, I'm going to add the flour, the mixture of the flour, baking powder and the baking soda which I had. And mix it up all together. Now the interesting part. What am I going to add to this? Personally, I like walnuts. So I'm going to add about a cup of walnuts. I'm going to add half cup of walnuts in this and keep the rest to put on top. So let's add the walnuts and just mix it a little bit. Now you don't want to overmix because everything is ready. Now I'm going to pour the batter into a non-stick pan. It's a loaf pan which I have greased it a little bit with the cooking spray so that it doesn't stick. I'm going to add the rest of the walnuts on top. And then this will go into the oven for about 55 to 60 minutes at 350. Going into the oven. Banana bread fresh out of the oven. It smells amazing and it looks great. Let me put it in this. I am going to do a test to fit it. It is perfect. I'm going to let it sit in the pan for about 5 minutes and unmold it and let it cool in the wire rack for some time. Now is the best time. I get to eat the banana bread. This is so good. I love a good banana bread. I used to go to Starbucks drive-thru almost every day and get a coffee and banana bread. But ever since this virus started, I have limited hours. So I started making my own banana bread. And trust me, this is the best banana bread. So if you like this and if you try it at home, please leave me a comment, and I would love you to like my video. Cheers.